So I'm asking, do you ever wear a hairstyle for so long that you don't want to take it out? Like, have you ever found yourself in that situation? You've worn a hairstyle for so long that you just don't want to take it out? Because I'm at that place. My hair, I've had it on for the past 5 weeks. Yeah, it's true that I want to push it to 2 months, but then again, I'm thinking about it and I just don't want to take it out. Like, I've gotten so comfortable wearing this hairstyle to the point taking it out is kind of an inconvenience to me, and I don't want to take it out. Let me know, like, do you ever find yourself in such a situation where you're just so comfortable with your hairstyle, no matter how ragged it looks, and everyone is saying how ragged it looks? Because look at my hair. I don't know whether you can see how ragged it is. And my queue, I have redone these pieces in the front, a few of them, a number of times, if you can see that. But at the end of it, okay, don't mind the mess behind there, I'm going to fix it. But then again, I just feel like I don't want to take my hair out. I just want it to stay in these braids forever, if not for a lifetime. It's one of those, I even don't know how I'm going to take. Now I understand those people who normally say that they don't like taking their hair out, because it's time to take your hair out, but you just can't find the energy. A brain telling you is telling you, just keep it a little bit longer, just keep it a little bit longer. And the reason I'm saying this is because I have realized that now my hair is becoming itchy, not because I've not washed it, but because I've worn it for so long. Because when I washed it, like, that was a week ago, it was okay. And now here we are, and I don't know, I can't bring myself to the thought of taking it out. But now my scalp is starting, not really so itchy that I can't bear it, but I know in a few weeks time, like in the next 2 weeks, if I still have this hairstyle on, my scalp will get itchy, so itchy to the point that I can't be able to sustain it. So next week I'll be washing it. But then again, guys, I need help. I really need help, because you see, like, look at the point that I'm scratching here. What is here that I'm scratching? This is my hair telling me that I need to take it out. To be honest, guys, send help. Tell them that there's a lady named Kakobo Road and she needs help taking out her hair. Because then again, I'm thinking of the whole process of hair takedown, and I feel like, nah, I'm not going to do that. And it's for that reason that I'm considering wearing a long-term protective style, like a hairstyle that I can keep in for 3 weeks. Sorry, for 3 months. I'm saying 3 weeks for 3 months. Hey, I'm not lying to anyone. I'm not lying to myself anymore. I'm planning to keep this in for 2 weeks, for 3 more weeks, so that it makes 2 months. But now, looking at how it has turned out, I'm thinking the next hairstyle that I have to do, because when my hair is it's quite long, and I'm not even bragging. Let me show you guys. I'm not even bragging to you. This is where how much you see, like, you can't see where it pictures. So here it is. Well, it's not at the length that I would want it to be. If you asked me, I would want it to be just below my boob, like, let's say here. Okay, I would be okay with my hair being here. That is the length that I'm aiming for. I don't know how long it's going to be for it to get there, but whatever time it takes, I'm willing to wait. And after that, I think after that, I'll just be trimming it and maintaining that length. But now, here's the thing. Right now, taking out these braids is quite hectic, because I have to not trim them anymore. Because if you've watched my last video, you already know that my video, like, from 2 days ago, that I'm going to put up here. Is it here or here? I don't know, one of these, but I think it's here. You already know that I trimmed my hair into a long bob. I could have worn it down, but the fact that I'm in the house, I'm not doing anything, and I'm not going anywhere, I don't see the reason why I should wear it down, like try styling it. It's just too much. And then again, also the fact that I'm battling between, should I remove my hair and leave it in these mini braids for the next like 2 months again, or what should I do with it? Because I'm tired. To say the least, I'm tired. That's the only thing that I can say right now. I am tired. And I'm not saying that I'm tired the ile ya kujifanya, to be honest. I'm tired of doing my hair. Not because I don't love my hair, just because I don't feel like I have the energy to do it every other day, and I also want it to grow long. So the only way for me to achieve both is finding a long-term protective style and a hairstyle that will look good even when it's old. So there's someone who suggested that I should do kinky twists or kinky braids. I've been thinking about it, and I think my hair wouldn't do well in those things, because the last time I used a kinky braid synthetic hair, it broke off my hair so badly, to the point that I lost what the length that I had achieved in almost an year. Yeah, that's how bad it was. So I'm not willing to do that. But then again, if there's a way that I can do crochet or do weave and keep it in for 3 months or 4, I'm pushing it. Keep it in for 3 or 4 months, and by that I'm not saying that I won't be washing it. I'll be washing my hair and washing the braid, the whatever it is hairstyle that I'll have on. But I just want a hairstyle that will stay on me for so long that I kind of forget about my hair. Like, I'm okay with doing my hair like 3 times in an year. I'm okay with that, to be honest, because where this life, no balance at all, no balance, to be honest. Like, it's one of those where I'm just lost. So kindly in the comment section, let me know what I should do to my hair. And now guys, look at that. Isn't this amazing? Like, this is how long my hair is. Let's do this. It's below my armpit, and this is the length of my hair when it's in a mini braid. So you can add like an extra inch to this. So it's quite long, and I'm here for all of it. So let me know in the comment section. To be honest, I just came to you to tell you my problem, and hope that you give me a suggestion, because I'm ready for it. And I don't know, something is in my eye, or I have some discomfort of some kind. I feel like something is poking my eye from the inside, and I don't think it's an eyelash, because most of you tell me it's an eyelash, because I've tried to look, I've done all those things that we do when you have an eyelash in your eye, and now I can't get any relief. But guys, tell me, what would you do with such hair? And don't tell me to leave it out, because I know there are people who will come to me telling me that I should leave it out, I should blow dry it. And at the same time, I've also considered getting dreadlocks, I know, or relaxing my hair. But with relaxing, I have some reservations, and about those I'm going to be telling you about them in the next section, in the coming video, guys. So kindly subscribe, comment down below, tell me what hairstyle should I wear that will last me for 3 months, because I need a hairstyle that will last me for 3 months or 4, that are not artificial dreadlocks, and not have me worrying about my hair for the next couple of months, and by a couple of months until the end of the year, like until I'm doing a length check. Like, that's how badly I need this hairstyle. So if you have any suggestions, be kind enough to leave them in the comment section. So until next time, guys, peace, and I love you all, and thank you for all the support that you've been showing me. I'll see you on the next one.